All right, well, the mic was off, so let's try this again. Take it from the top. Oh, hey! We got a box. Never seen this before. Oh, a note! Whoa! Not a note. Hey, guys. Sandroch. Hey, guys. No, Sodrock?
A sandwich.
S-A-A-D-R-A-C-H. Sodrock. Hey guys, Sodroch here from Pintech. Here is a personal project of mine. It's made from the same material as the cymbal I sent you. Have fun and thanks for good wholesome entertainment you provide. Pintech Percussions. Lance, flick here. Look at that, that's so sick. So rad.
This board was sent to us a long time ago, and we actually filmed the original video at Lake Street Skate Park, but now we're doing the second video, which we never got around to. Pintech is a company that makes like electric drum sets, and this is made out of an electric cymbal. That is a cute skateboard.
It is, isn't it?
Really? Because it's been red all day.
Let's see the trucks. That's tight. I like the white trucks on it.
I lost.
First.
See, if I stand on it, it won't flex at all.
I think it's just gonna skate until it breaks.
Skate it till it breaks? It's not gonna break. You ready? It says Lance, flick here. If Lance kickflip this.
If I kickflip it?
Oh, I had that!
I could tell you really wanted to land that. You weren't just gonna rifle one off.
So much lead
I really
up.
wanted to lance it. This is a no flex zone. See, it doesn't do. It's like barely flexes.
This is for the drummers.
Yes. Oh no. Yeah!
Two to make it true! Old Braille! Hashtag!
Please.
Free to live the dream.
And he's like, do I get a turn? Okay, Mario, get in here.
Come on, Mario.
Oh, let's see Mario kickflip. Mario kickflip.
Yeah, including Mario.
Oh, you got stuck.
We're clean out of ideas, guys. All we have left is Mario versus Dave. This one's for Mario. Ow! I'm bleeding! It's for Lance, the hashtag Skate God music video. Ow!
Carlos, you're the only person I trust now.
I can't do it. I gotta like flick my foot harder.
Aaron, you're the only person I trust.
Let me get a rebuttal. Huh?
Wow.
Sick.
Even Mario is impressed with that.
Yes. Let's get it.
Probably need a cleaner one for the gram, but you know. Wow.
Thank you, lady. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh, snap. That Braille drop got tired. Hold on.
It's like it's only a Braille drop, jeez. Get tricks or die trying. Wow.
Alright, so seriously though, what are we doing in this video? I'm kind of confused.
You make it, we skate it.
Oh, that makes sense.
Break it, then skate it.
Skate it till we break it?
Oh, really? I'm missing.
Let's go to the mini ramp.
God. You know what this reminds me of? The plexiglass board like a year ago.
Yeah.
That's what this reminds me of.
Yeah.
Same thing.
fun. This is where Carlos skates and just kills it.
Luke here?
That's gonna leave a mark.
We still got hope. No, we still got life. Let's go change this up a little bit.
No flex, bro.
I'm plexing. It's a no plex zone. Oh. But the mall grab's real.
The ball grab is real.
Dang it.
There's no way. If you land this, I will give you $5.
$100 from Lance's wallet.
Wow, that's an amazing deal.
Right?
Okay, now if you land it, I will literally give you $300.
Oops.
Oh no, Freddie. I didn't even film it.
This is for you, Lance.
Thanks. It's actually the coolest part. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you doing?
How to get in on the action.
It's like my dreams shattered. Well, we've already done all the tricks down the 3 that you can do. Should we hit the hubba?
Sure.
Yeah, Carlos.
Oh, I slipped out.
Oh my God. Okay, let me get a... You guys should do double. Wait.
Oh my God.
little pump jet ski, let's get it. Alright, that was sick. Oh god, Gabe's coming. That was awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely check out the summer camp. We're having a summer camp and we want you guys to get tickets and learn how to skateboard. We'll put the details for that in the description below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Send us your submissions to skate@brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you next time. I love you guys. Bye.